Hi, I'm Dr. Arvind Poswal from Dr. A's Clinic, New Delhi, India. Our achievements. If I were to list them, it will take some time, but some of them which I am very proud of is our own president. She awarded me. Then the president of Mauritius awarded me. But more than that, even, I like to say that my own inventions, which I shared with the doctors and the patients worldwide, that is the Stitchless FUSE or FUE technique since 1999, body hair to scalp transplant, beard hair to scalp transplant are our achievements which really touch the patient also. There is a long list of awards. I think I don't have to go into that.